Okay, so I think due to network issue, uh, your classes is ended. So next is your I'm discussing about your nominal mix design. So basically, this is the point of discussion. Is it audible? Naidera?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So it is nominal mix design. So basically, in nominal mix design, I am telling you that it is truly based on your experience. Nominal mix design. Nominal mix design. So it is truly based on experience. That means nominal mix concrete is permitted only in ordinary condition. In ordinary concrete, that means up to M20 grade nominal mix design is usage. It is fixed by code prior. Basically, this nominal mix design is fixed by our code. So the code which is given by our RCC design. That code is IS 456 2000. So basically, it is this nominal mix design is basically fixed by our code. So for higher grade design mixes are adopted, we have two concrete mix design. One is nominal mix design and another is your design mix. So for higher grade, that means for M60 grade, M65 grade, M70 grade, M75 grade, M80 grade, design mix is adopted. So as per our IS 456 2000, according to our Indian standard 456 2000, proportion of nominal mixed concrete, the proportion of nominal mixed concrete which will be given, I show you with a diagram, with a table, sorry, with a table. So you all just observe this table. So this is basically a table. So you all remember this table. So just wait. So this is the table for your nominal mix design. So here we write, so just wait. Here in this column we write grade of concrete. Here we write weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate in kg. That means in 50 kg of cement. I write just wait. This line is so this is the column for your weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate in 50 kg of cement. Here we have right ratio of your fine grade plus coarse aggregate. This table is visual, दिख रहा है? बोलोगे कोई कुछ? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, दिख रहा है टेबल? Next what we do, here we have I use different color. So here we have grade of concrete. So here we have grade of concrete, grade of concrete, grade of concrete. Here we have weight of weight of weight of fine aggregate weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate in kg. Weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate in kg for 50 kg of cement. For 50 kg of cement. For 50 kg of cement. Here we have fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate ratio. Fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate ratio. Next is your here weight of water in kg per 50 kg of cement. So here we have another column, and in this column we have weight of water. So here we have weight of water in kg per 50 kg of cement. Per 50 kg of cement. So here we have M5 grade of concrete we use. Just I use another color. So here grade of concrete we use is just wait. Here we use the grade of concrete as M5. Here the weight of coarse aggregate plus fine aggregate in kg 50 kg of cement is 800. Here generally 1 is to 2, that means generally 1 is to 2, but can be range in the but the ratio of fine aggregate and coarse aggregate is in the range of 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2.5. So basically this is the range in between fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Here weight of water per 50 kg of cement is 60. So here we use 60 kg of water per 50 kg of cement for M5 grade of concrete. Can you say what is the nominal mix for M5? Can anyone say what is the grade for concrete for M5?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Can you say what is the grade of concrete for M5? मसाला कितना लगता है M5 में? जैसे M20 में 1, 1.5, 3 मसाला बोलते हो, वैसे ही M5 में कितना मसाला लगेगा? कौन कौन सा ग्रेड का
वो
वो 1,
उसमें सर
1.5?
सीमेंट
हाँ बोलो।
1 into half into 3, सर.
नो 1:2 हाफ, हाफ नहीं, यहाँ पे 1:2, सो
1 into. Yes, sir.
just mute yourself. So here we use 1:5:10. So here harsh mix is used. Here you see you use 1 part of cement, 5 parts of your fine aggregates, and 10 parts of your coarse aggregates. So this mix is your harsh mix. Next is your M7.5. So for M7.5 grade of cement, bit of coarse aggregate plus fine aggregate we use is 62 625 kg. Next here also this range is in 1:2. Here the bit of water we use is 45. So here 45 kg of water is used. Next is your M10. Next is your M10. So weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate we use here in 50 kg of cement as 480. So 480. Next here we use as 34. Weight of water 50 kg of cement is 34. Here M15 grade of concrete is used. M15. Here the weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate used is 330. That is same. Next weight of water here we use is 32 kg. Next is your here M20. M20 grade of concrete is used. So basically for M20 we use nominal mix as 1, वही जो आधा बोल रहे थे यहीं पे 1:1.5:3, 1:1.5:3 है. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. So here we bit of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate we use is 250 kg. Here wet aggregate plus fine aggregate mixture is same. Here we use 30 kg weight of water per 50 kg of cement. So basically you have to keep this table in your mind for proportion of nominal mixed concrete. So these all are your proportion of nominal mixed concrete which will be given by your IS 456 2000. So suppose if you take this value, so suppose if you all take this value, that means M20. Here you see the nominal mix is 1:1.5:3. So here this is for cement. So here I write. Can I proceed? आगे चले?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here you all see we have M20 grade of concrete. So for M20, I say you all, we use a mix as 1, 1.5 and 3. 1.5 as 3. So this is for your cement. One point five is for your fine aggregate. For your fine aggregate. And 3 is for your coarse aggregate. So these are the proportions of your different ingredients which we use for making our concrete. So for M20 making, we use the mix as 1:1.5:3. So 1 is for cement, 1.5 is for your fine aggregate, and 3 is for your coarse aggregate. So here what we do, here we generally add. So just you see here, just you see here, just you see here, you see here. Here cement is just suppose here if we use cement is equal to 50 kg, here cement is equal to 50 kg because a bag of cement contains 50 kg. 50 kg. Next is, if you suppose here our coarse aggregate is x, coarse aggregate is x or y. So just take coarse aggregate as your y kg, coarse aggregate as y kg. Then fine aggregate is equal to x kg, fine aggregate is equal to x kg. So Ax by y, we know the ratio of your fine aggregate by coarse aggregate is in the range of 1.5 to 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2.5. So just take here x by y is generally be taken as, that means the ratio of fine aggregate to coarse aggregate we just take as 1 is to 2. So here we get y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2x. So if in table you go and see for M20 grade of uh, concrete, a weight of fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate in kg, if 50 kg of cement bag is used, is 250. So here x plus y, that means the weight of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate we take as 250. So here x plus y is equal to 250. X plus y is equal to 250. Here y value is equal to 2x. Here the value of y is 2x. So here you put the value of y in this equation. So x plus 2x is equal to 250, equal to 250. So here 3x is equal to 250. So here the value of x, so here the value of x is equal to 250 by 3, 250 by 3 is equal to, so here this is the amount of your fine aggregate which we used in this M20 grade of concrete. So x is equal to 250 by 3. If we put the value of x in this equation, so if you put the value of x in this equation, x plus y is equal to 250. So here if you put the value of x, then you get y is equal to 250, y is equal to 250 minus 250 by 3, y is equal to 250 by 3 because this is the value of our x. So we get 250 by 3. You know, if we multiply 250 with 3, we get 750. If 750, if 250 is get subtracted from 750, we get 500. So here the value of y is equal to 500 by 3. 500 by 3. And we know for this M20 grade of, for this M20 grade of concrete, the water requirement or the water required, that means water required, which I also tell you in the last column, that water weight of water in kg for 50 kg of cement, that means weight of water is equal to your, is equal to your 30 kg. So these are all about your, I think, uh, nominal mix design. So here we use cement as one part, coarse aggregate as 250 by 3 parts, 250 by 3 parts, and here we use fine aggregate as 250, fine aggregate as 250 by 3 parts and coarse aggregate as 500 by 3 parts. So here we use the mix as 1 is to 250 by 3, 250 by 3. Here we use the proportion of coarse aggregate. Here you get the proportion of coarse aggregate as y kg, and here we get y as 500 by 3 kg. So here we get it as 500 by 3. 500 by 3. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm discussing about this point. So this is the proportion for your M20 grade. So here the proportion of cement is 1. Here the proportion of your fine aggregate is 250 by 3. Here the proportion of your coarse aggregate is 500 by 3. So just you simplify these all the equations or these all the values. So if you simplify it, you get I think here we use 50 kg. So here you write instead of writing 1, you write 50. So here we use 50 kg. So this you simplify these all the values. So if this 50 will be get simplified, and here we get 5, here we get 10, and here we get 1. So if you see, we get 1 is to 5 by 3 is to 10 by 3. So if you simplify these all the values, then you get 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. So in this fashion or in this manner, you get the grade of your M20 concrete, and so so on. So basically M20 grade of concrete, M25 and M30, in similar fashion you get your M15 and so on. But our IRC, that means our IS 456 2000 will be given a range that is for RCC minimum grade recommended is M20, and for nominal mixed concrete is permitted only in ordinary concrete, that means up to your M20 grade. So basically these all things will be fixed by our code, and this nominal mix design is based on your experience. Next point is our design mix. So design mix is entirely different from your So basically, our design mix concrete is entirely different from your nominal mix concrete. Design mix concrete, it is not fixed, and it is vary with respect to our requirement, and it can be modified. So there are different steps involved for design mix. I think you all are familiar with design mix. So our design mix, next point of discussion is your design mix. So you all just I'm not giving a brief about your design mix. Just I refresh you all about this, because I think you all uh, read this design mix in your RCC part. So design mix concrete. So design mix concrete. In design mix concrete, what we do in design mix concrete, we first determine the target mean strength. So basically, first we determine target mean strength. That means we have to determine the value of Fm. So I already say how we determine Fm. Fm is equal to your FCK. Fm is equal to your FCK. FCK plus 1.65 1.65 into your standard deviation, that means into your sigma. So this is our target mean strength, this is our characteristic strength, and this is your standard deviation. So right here, this is your this is your this is your standard deviation, this is your characteristic strength, this is your characteristic strength, this is your characteristic strength, this is your mean strength. So this is your mean strength. So first point is you have to determine your first mean strength. Then here sigma is our standard deviation, FCK is our this characteristic strength. So sigma is calculated by lab on its previous record. So in some lab previous record is available, and but if previous records are not available, then we use a table. So basically we have also a table for our grade and standard deviation. So you use that table. So here we have a table. So here we have a table. This is the table. Here we have grade of concrete. So here we have GOC, grade of concrete. Next is your grade of concrete. Next is your sigma value. That means your standard deviation. If it is in between, that means if your grade of concrete is from M10 to M15, M10 to M15, then the value of sigma is 3.5, is 3.5, is 3.5 for M20 to M25, for M20 to M25 we have sigma value as 4.0, 4.0. This is for M30 grade of concrete, and for M30 grade of concrete, that means for M30 to M50 we have sigma value as 5.0, 5.0. So if you use M30, so if you use M30, so if you use here M30, so I think I teach RCC in 1519 batch, in 1620 batch, in 1721 batch, also in I think in 1820, 1822 batch. I also uh, give some briefing about RCC also. So also in your batch, I give some briefing about your this topic. That means RCC. But this topic is deal by Reena madam. So don't worry, Reena madam give briefing about this topic. Also in I think 6th semester or 7th semester, Mirgender sir will brief about this topic. So don't worry. If anything is left from my side, then Mirgender sir will cover these all the topics. So here mean strength is equal to 30. This is your characteristic strength for M30 grade. M30 plus 5. 5 is your standard deviation. 5 into 1.65. So you get the value of FMH 30 plus 30 plus I think 30 plus 8.25. Oh, sorry, just 30 plus 8.25. So here we get 38 point. Here we get 38.25 Newton per mm square. So this is your mean strength for M30 grade. So similarly for M40 grade, M50 grade, you calculate your mean strength. Next step is, after determining mean strength, you determine the water cement ratio from the chart, and this chart is given in your Indian Standard 456 2000. So after calculating water cement ratio, you also see different exposure conditions. So we have different exposure condition. We have mild exposure condition, we have moderate exposure condition, we have severe exposure condition, very severe and extreme severe weather condition. So minimum cement content in kg per meter cube is also given with respect to different exposure condition. Also maximum free water ratio is given with respect to exposure condition. So basically free water is not absorbed by aggregate. So free water basically mean water excluding that absorbed by aggregate. For purely chemical reaction, that means for complete hydration of cement, water cement ratio required is 0.25 only, but we provide more water because in evaporation or in some leakage process some water will be losses. So I think uh, this is all about your design mix concrete, or last point is left. So you determine the water cement, you determine the water content in kg per meter cube of concrete based on workability requirement, and select the ratio of fine aggregate and coarse aggregate by mass based on types and grading of aggregates. Normally water content is equal to 180 to 200 liter per meter cube of concrete, and fine aggregate by coarse aggregate ratio is equal to 1 ratio 2. Normally it is in the range of 1 ratio 1.5 to 1 is to 2.5. So so this is all about today class. So in next class or next session, I'm discussing the rest thing. So thank you.